Hey there, fellow car nerds. Thanks for tuning in to MG Guy Vintage Vehicles. Greg here again with another 10 kit cars and replica vehicles available for sale across North America this week. There may be blemishes on these vehicles, but that's okay. It's all about getting behind the wheel and going for a cruise in a car you love, not impressing the purists at the car show. Links for each of these vehicles are included in the video description below. Alright, let's go with today's vehicles for sale. Okay, let's get started with this 1973 Dune buggy, listed for $12,500 US in Gainesville, Georgia. It is a manual transmission, and from the seller's description, $12,500 or best offer, 1973 Manx replica Dune buggy, powered by a Porsche Type 4 engine, DTM fan shroud, dual Delorto carbs, completely restored and ready to go, street legal, tagged, and registered in the state of Georgia. No trades. And up next we have this 1970 Elite Enterprises Laser 917, listed for $14,900 US in Sherrills Ford, North Carolina. It is an automatic transmission, and from the seller's description, 1970 Laser 917 kit car, built on a 1969 VW Bug chassis, original metal flake gel coat exterior and original interior, 1600 dual port VW engine. Car is titled in North Carolina as a 1970 Porsche replica with an NCS decal number. Car runs but needs TLC. Alright, here we have a 1982 Ford Mustang with a body kit, listed for $35,900 Canadian in Lethbridge, Alberta. It's been driven 23,000 kilometers and has a manual transmission. From the seller's description, custom 1982 Mustang GT wide body kit from Mustang Powerhouse, repainted, 1969 351 Windsor, $35,900 Canadian or $26,000 US, or best offer, or interesting trades. Alright, this car was also listed in my recent Hot Rods for Sale video, but it is a replica, so I'm including it here just in case you missed that video. Here we have a 1941 Willys Coupe replica listed for $99,000 US in Denver, Colorado. It's been driven 3,014 miles, has an automatic transmission, listed in excellent condition, and from the seller's description, 1941 Willys two-door coupe replica with custom-built active power body with tilt front end and stage 2 frame, 555 cubic inch engine, GH400 3-speed automatic transmission, and custom leather interior and trunk.
It's an old car. Well, it's not really old. Warmed over 350. Disc brakes front and rear. Good paint, a little dusty. In the back. Race replica, street legal.
Up next, we have this 1927 street legal replica race car listed for $16,000 US in Phoenix, Arizona. Its condition is listed as used like new, and from the seller's description, short and sweet. Nice custom car, 350 Chevy, dual carbs. Okay, here we have a kit car based on what Chevrolet thought would be their answer to the Cobra. A 1964 Chevrolet Cheetah listed for $39,500 US in Carmel, Indiana. Its condition is listed as used like new, and from the seller's description. Shell Valley Classic Vehicles kit car, 383 Chevy, Muncie 4-speed, 9-inch Ford rear end, only 750 miles, possible trades, 55 to 57 Chevy, Corvette, or other interesting trades. Alright, so this one is not actually a kit, it's a custom fabricated car, but I thought I'd include it today anyways. Listed as a 1971 custom fabricated Porsche, it's priced at $30,000 US in Stewart, Virginia. It's been driven 8,000 miles, has a manual transmission, listed in very good condition, and has a clean title. From the seller's description, this is not a kit car, it is a hand-built, tagged for the road and street legal, aluminum body, has a built 4.3 V6, aluminum racing heads, aluminum intake, 550 Holley, 5-speed Porsche trans, Porsche suspension, custom snap-on blue cloth top, $30,000 or best offer, no trades. Alright, another one from a previous video. This car was listed in my recent Weird Vehicle Wednesday video, but again, I'm including it here in case you missed that video. Here we have a 1972 Chevrolet Corvette with a sport wagon body kit listed for $24,000 Canadian in Calgary, Alberta. It's been driven 88,000 kilometers, has an automatic transmission, listed in very good condition, and has a clean title. Here's the seller's description, another one that is short and sweet. Complete restore except rear end, painted 6 years ago. And up next we have this 1964 Volkswagen Panzer, listed for $7,000 Canadian in Norfolk, Ontario. It is a manual transmission, and from the seller's description, titled as a rebuilt 86 VW Panzer, 1964 1200cc engine, new rear brakes and wheel cylinders, new breather, coil, plug wires, exhaust, and quick release steering wheel, licensed, insured, and on the road, $7,000 or best offer. And bringing up the rear, we have this 1929 Ford Model A pickup replica, listed for $18,000 US in Markesan, Wisconsin. It's been driven 3,700 miles, is an automatic transmission, listed in very good condition, and has a clean title. From the seller's description, 1929 Model A pickup replica, fiberglass body, steel box, 2x3 steel tubing frame, Chevrolet 350 board 30 over, 600 Edelbrock carb, mild Corvette cam, automatic trans, runs and drives very nice. Okay, so that's it for today's vehicles. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you are enjoying my content, please consider becoming a channel member by clicking the join button below or using the link in the channel details below the video. For about the price of a cup of coffee per month, you'll not only be helping me produce these videos, but you'll have access to each and every video before they go live on YouTube, usually around 24 hours ahead of the videos going live. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.